Standard 1 Subject English. Hello students, my name is Mrinal More and today we are going to learn a story. Before starting our topic, let's take a look on some pictures and name them. The first picture is leg. You have to repeat the word after me. Leg. Look at this picture and name it. Yes, these are our eyes. Repeat. Eyes. Here is the next picture for you. And it is a picture of a girl. Yes, repeat again. Girl. Now, let's see the next picture. Here's the next picture. Do you all know it? Yes, it is a tongue. Repeat. Tongue. Let's repeat the words once again and then you have to make sentences of each word. I am reading the words, you have to repeat it after me. Leg, eyes, girl, tongue. These were the words and now you have to make sentences of each word. Here is the example for you. I have framed two sentences for you, such as leg, we walk with our legs. Eyes, eyes helps us to see around. Now you have to frame sentences from the rest two words and also from these two words but different sentences. Can you see the picture? What can you see in the picture? Yes, the doctor is checking a boy. Do you know the name of the boy? The name of the boy is Tom. So, our today's topic is Tom goes to the doctor. Let's read the story. I will read the story and you have to pay attention. So, let's start. Tom goes to the doctor. The doctor says, raise your hands, Tom. I raise my hands. The doctor says, raise your legs, Tom. I raise my legs. The doctor says, where are your toes, Tom? I point to my toes. The doctor says, close your eyes, Tom. I close my eyes. The doctor says, open your mouth, Tom. I open my mouth. Your teeth are clean. The doctor says. Tom is happy. Now I will read the story again and this time you have to repeat after me. So let's start. The doctor says, raise your hands, Tom. I raise my hands. The doctor says, raise your legs, Tom. I raise my Legs. The doctor says, "Where are your toes, Tom?" I point to my toes. The doctor says, "Close your eyes, Tom." I close my eyes. The doctor says, "Open your mouth, Tom." I open my mouth. Your teeth are clean. The doctor says, "Tom is happy." Very good. So, you all read the story and now you know the story. Now, let's take a look on the new words. The new words for you. Can you see the picture? What are they called? It is the picture of our hands. Yes, repeat after me. Hands. 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 Here is the next picture. It is called toes. What are they called? Toes. 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 This is the picture of our, yes, legs. 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 These are our ears. What are they called? Ears. 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 You saw the new words. Let's see plural words. Plural means when the things are more than one, such as these are our legs. All the new words we saw had a s added in because when the things are more than one, they are plural words. Such as we have two legs, so we pronounce it as legs, and they are called as plural words. In the story, we saw that the doctor was telling Tom to hands, raise his legs. So now let's see, what do you mean by the word raise? Raise your hands means take your hand straight up. Such as when in the class you have to ask for any permission or you have to answer the question, you raise your hands. You take your hand straight up and ask the permission to answer the question or to move out of the class or to drink water or for any another reason. Much like raise your hands, raise your head means make your head straight looking forward. Means when teacher is explaining anything in the class, you make your head straight looking forward. You look forward straight and you pay attention to what teacher is explaining. Here is a picture of a girl and you can see a arrow is pointing towards her hand. This is her hand. Whenever we indicate to a girl, we use her. But when we indicate towards a boy, we use his. That is, this is his hand. So, for girls, we use her, and for boys, we use his. Such as when you found a pencil in a class, if it is of a boy, you can say this is his pencil. But if the pencil is of a girl, you should say this is her pencil. Now, let's read the story once again. First, I will read the story and you will pay attention. Tom goes to the doctor. The doctor says, "Raise your hands, Tom." I raise my hands. The doctor says, "Raise your legs, Tom." I raise my legs. The doctor says, "Where are your toes, Tom?" I point to my toes. The doctor says, "Close your eyes, Tom." I close my eyes. The doctor says, "Open your mouth, Tom." I open my mouth. "Your teeth are clean." The doctor says, "Tom is happy." Now, I will read the story again and you have to repeat after me. So, let's start. Tom goes to the doctor. The doctor says, "Raise your hands, Tom." I raise my hands. The doctor says, "Raise your legs, Tom." I raise my legs. The doctor says, "Where are your toes, Tom?" I point to my toes. The doctor says, "Close your eyes, Tom." I close my eyes. The doctor says, "Open your mouth, Tom." I open my mouth. "Your teeth are clean." The doctor says, "Tom is happy." Very good. Now, I am giving you some time. You have to read the story by your own and read it carefully because after this I am going to ask you some questions. So, start. I hope everyone has finished reading the story. Now, let's go to the question and answers. So, here are the questions. The first question is, who is in the story? Second, where are Tom and the doctor? The third question is, what does Tom do? And the fourth is, why is Tom happy? I hope you know the answers of these questions. Let's check. So, the first question is, who is in the story? And what is the answer? Yes, a boy named Tom is in the story. Very good. The second question is, where are Tom and the doctor? Yes, Tom and doctor are in the doctor's clinic. Let's see the next questions. The third question is, what does Tom do? What does Tom do? Tom follows the instructions given by the doctor. Yes or no? Yes. And the fourth question is, why is Tom happy? Doctor told Tom, your teeth are clean, so Tom was happy. So now you know the answers of all the questions. Here is an activity for you. Write the following words and draw what they mean. Here are 5 words given. You have to write it down in your book and then draw what they mean. So first you take down the words. The first word is hands. 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 Second word is eyes. 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 The third word is legs. 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 Fourth word is pencil. 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 And the fifth word is book. 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 I will repeat all the 5 words once again and you have to write it down correctly. Then you can draw what they mean in your book. The first word is hands, second eyes, third legs, fourth pencil, and the fifth book. So you have to draw all these 5 things in your book. I hope you have written the words and you liked the story Tom Goes to the Doctor. Thank you.